Hello. I'm super excited connecting with you today on my channel. I remain Engineer to Kofato, the lead consultant at ToksRealty. Alright, so today is an open house of Lekki Pride 1 estate located in Adesanya. Alright, just 2 minutes away from the Lekki Expressway. Alright, so please ensure you watch this video as I'll be taking you through the open house event that is taking place at Lekki Pride 1. Here, shortly I'll be entering one of the houses within this estate. The house type 3-bedroom semi-detached with a big view. So you see how beautiful it is. This estate is almost sold out right now. So if you are a family that is looking for a very cool and serene environment, you want your family to be on the Lekki axis, ensure you watch the video today and see reason why you need to also be part of this estate, the mini estate. Alright, so watch this open house, you will love it, everything. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. This is a special day for all clients and every investor that invested in Lekki Pride 1. This is a mini estate that is just a few minutes drive away from the Lekki Expressway. This is Adesanya, very close to the Lekki Scheme 2 axis as well. You can see how spacious the surroundings of the 3-bedroom semi-detached with a BQ that I'm about to show you. Even though all the duplexes within this estate, they are all sold out at the moment, but in the phase 2 of this same project, we still have, of course, we have terraces, we still have semi-detached duplexes. Like for example, 3-bedroom semi-detached duplexes goes for 75 million. In the phase 2 of this project, Lekki Pride phase 2, located in Ogombo. It is directly facing the Ogombo Road along Adesanya, and this place is very close to Eti-Osa Maternal Center. It's close to Ajiwe police station, close to the Adesanya roundabout. It's close to Agofure Motors Park. So this is a very good investment. It goes to Adesanya estate. All right, so it's a very good location for every family. And one unique thing about this estate is that there will be estate facility management building within this estate. There will be daycare center for young couples or family that just got married, that have kids and they want to put them in daycare. They don't have to go out before they do this. So that's one unique thing about this estate. And there'll be solar street light. There's also something about this estate. It's going to be a service estate. It's a mini estate whereby everybody is going to enjoy the dividend of living within Lekki Pride 1. This is also replicated in Lekki Pride 2. We also have Lekki Pride 3, whereby we have landed property there for people that want to buy and build their own kind of dream house. You can buy, and that Lekki Pride 3 is located in Ogombo Road. Is also directly facing the Ogombo Road. You can still get 300 square meter for 33 million naira. If you are buying before 31st of October, you can get 500 square meter for 55 million naira. Prices will be going up to 39 million and 65 million respectively for 300 and 500 square meter in Lekki Pride 1. And one good thing, we have prototype of structures you can build there. We can give that to you freely if you want, right? And build whatever you love, duplexes, terraces, blocks of apartment, and so on. So Lekki Pride 1, we also still have 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartment for sale here, going for 36 million and 40 million respectively. These are good for families, young couples, and people that want to invest in rental income. All right, they want to have rental income. They can plug into this 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. They can use it for shortlet. All right, so this is the open house. You can see the beauty of this house, and that is the same thing replicated in every of the house types in this estate. It's something special. If you can have an investment within this axis, I can congratulate you that, man, you have made the right choice. What an interesting event. Open house has come and has gone. Today, October 22nd. All right, so if you are interested in investing in Lekki Pride estate, please call me. You know what to do. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do a subscription. Subscribe now. It's totally free, so that you'll be among the first individual that be getting my update whenever I post something on my channel. Please subscribe, like this video, share with your loved one, share with those people that would love to also invest in all these wonderful properties, wonderful way of making money in real estate. All right, till next time I come your way,